Welcome to Car Loop TV. I hope you enjoyed that exciting intro demonstrating some exuberant car control. More of that to come later on. After a bit of casual Ferrari spotting, we head into the pits at Bedford Aerodrome for a day of track testing, spotting cars already on track along the way. The car we are featuring in this episode is a heavily developed genuine BMW E30 M3, which since its last appearance on the channel some 2 years ago has changed its appearance somewhat. We'll talk to the owner Nian about the aero enhancements and weight savings, then go out on track and try to illustrate to you all how brutal this car performs. If you want to see the previous video where we go deep into the technical specifications of the build up to that point, link at the top of the screen or click the link in the description below after, of course, enjoying this video. Please like this video and consider subscribing, and here is a reminder of how the car looked a couple of years ago. So the last time I filmed your car was probably about 2 years ago. Since then you've done some aerodynamic enhancements. I can see a diffuser. Is the rear spoiler different, or is that the same spoiler as you had?
Rear spoiler is the same, but front splitter, front canards.
Front splitter and canards, yeah.
Flat floor, or semi-flat floor.
So you've got the carbon fibre floor.
Yeah, and the diffuser.
And the diffuser. Yeah, that diffuser. So you had a Ferrari diffuser on there last time we filmed it.
To be honest, I don't know where it come from, but it was from some manufactured car. A little less fit for purpose or bespoke for the E30. So decided to do something more efficient.
Yeah, and you had the gold wheels on there last time as well.
Yep. So decided to change the wheels mainly for weight.
Yeah.
So these wheels are roughly 4 kilos a corner lighter.
Okay.
So a good weight saving.
You've got new seats as well.
New seats.
I can't remember. Oh, you had the Ferrari seats in there before, didn't you?
That's right. Yeah. These seats are a little bit lighter, so they're about 2.9 kilos each. But I didn't buy those for the weight. So to be honest, it was a drunken Friday night eBay purchase. So I got them for a steal.
Yes, and they're very tight and they hold you very well, and I fit in them, which is good. I'm quite impressed with that, and it's quite comfortable, you know.
They're not bad. They're not, surprisingly. Most people look at it and they think it's a rigid seat.
Yeah.
There's no padding. It's going to be really uncomfortable, but actually the way that they're sculpted, they're amazingly comfortable.
Yeah. Okay. Anything else?
No, I think it's mainly the wheels, aero, change the exhaust a little, just so it's a little bit quieter, but
yeah,
apart from that, no changes.
So you used to have 2 exhausts out of each side, didn't you? And now you've got the one. So
single each side.
Single each side now. Okay.
Just to quieten it down. The other thing I did, I had a carbon prop made.
Prop shaft?
Yeah.
Okay, again for balancing and less vibration.
More just less weight.
You haven't changed the brakes, have you?
No.
They're the same brakes that are on it to start with, yeah.
So I think everything else is the same, but you know, there's a few more things in progress.
Yeah.
So carbon roof. Once I'm happy with the diffuser, then the diffuser will go in carbon as well.
Are you cutting the roof, did you say?
Yeah, carbon roof.
The same as...
Yeah.
Okay, interesting. Well, you should have that.
Yeah.
You should have that, absolutely. Okay, and obviously everyone would want to know You've driven it at what, 2 or 3 track days since you've fitted all this aero.
Yep.
What effect has that had? Is it noticeable?
With aero, you're not going to expect night and day difference. It's cumulative.
Yeah.
With everything else. So yes, there's more downforce. I don't know exactly how much. I haven't calculated it yet, but I will. But it just adds to the package.
Yeah, absolutely, and it looks such. I mean, being in it feels like a race car. Obviously, it looks like a race car, but following it round, as we just did, it just looks otherworldly. It's difficult to put a description on it. It's an E30, but it doesn't look like one almost anymore. The way it seems to just absolutely stick.
Yeah, this is just the R&D, the development, fine tuning the car to the way that I like driving it.
Yeah.
So it suits my driving style.
Yeah. What tyres do you run on that?
Toyos. R888s.
Okay, yeah. I've heard good things about that in the past. Okay. We did miss out. Although the car had a carbon fibre bonnet 2 years ago, now it has CAD design vents to evacuate the hot air from the engine. Plus, new carbon fibre doors and Lexan sliding windows. Now it's time to get back out on track. Let's enjoy a couple of hot laps. that's it, guys and girls. Thanks to Nian for showing us his car. Please give this video a like and browse the Carlube TV channel. I mean, seeing it in the flesh, it looks pretty decent, doesn't it? Look at the carbon fibre boot lid.
It is a race car, you know, nothing was ever mint.
In this episode, we will take you through the final fit-up of the car. And yes, I did just say final fit-up, because today is the day